Referrals in Welford Chart Notes. Today we're going to learn how to keep track of referrals in Welford Chart Notes. To do so, press View Referrals. The Referrals window opens, defaulting to showing you just today's referrals. This window shows providers who have referred the patient to you, and this window shows you providers to whom you have referred the patient. Click Add to add a new referral. Here we see a list of the names of all of the providers who have previously been entered into the system. If the provider is not yet listed, click the Add button. Enter the name of the provider, the provider's practice, and the address and telephone number and fax number of the practice. You can also record the email address of the practice, designate up to 3 specialties for this provider, and an optional comment about the provider. You can click the Ditto button to copy the address and phone number of this provider from another previously entered provider who is in the same practice. Click the Moving button to change the address and phone numbers for a group of providers at once who are relocating their practice. Click the Print button to print the information about this provider. If you don't see the provider's specialty listed, click the Edit button to add another specialty to the list. Click OK to store the information about this provider. As you start to type the name of the provider, the list shortens to show you the matching names. So we choose Dr. Watson from the list. Enter the name of the patient and the reason for the referral. Here you can enter the anticipated date when the referral appointment is to take place. If you send a response back to a referring physician, you can enter that date here. Select the outcome of the referral. By default, a new referral is marked as pending. When you complete a consultation, you can summarize the gist of your advice here. Use these buttons if you wish to send the referral to someone's inbox, remove it from your own inbox, or write an inbox comment. Click the Playback button to insert the comments about this referral into the writer. Click the Jump button to jump to another program function. Click OK to store this referral. It is now displayed in the list of referrals. Click the Delete button if you wish to delete the highlighted referral from the database. You can undelete the last deletion by pressing the Undelete button. Click Dial to dial your telephone to the consultant's number. Click Edit or double-click a line to modify an entry. Click Playback to insert the referral information into the writer. Click Print to print the referral on your printer. Click Providers to edit the list of referring providers as we saw previously. Click Redisplay to see a different portion of the referrals database. You can show a particular range of dates, and you can narrow it to a specific provider if you only want to see referrals involving that provider, or restrict it to a particular patient. You can restrict it to only patients who were referred by someone else to you, or who were referred to another provider from you. Type text in the Find box to restrict the redisplay to patients who have that text listed somewhere in their comments. For example, if you seek the word rash, you can find the times when you referred the patient to another provider for a rash. You can narrow the list to show you patients who are scheduled to have the referral in a particular range of time, and can narrow it to patients whose referrals have a specific outcome, such as only those with pending referrals. You can also limit it to show you only those patients in whom you have not yet sent a response to the referring physician. Another handy feature is the Writer Referrals Auto Open window. To control this, press System Writer Options. Click the Auto Open Options button. You can then choose whether you wish to see all of the referrals involving this patient, or only those referrals that are currently pending, so that you can make sure that the patient follows through with intended referrals. And that's how to use referrals in Welford Chart Notes. For more information, visit us at emirj.com.